What's up, y'all? It's Silly Dilly. I'm gonna show you how to make a super easy homemade submarine that's full of meatballs, sauce, and cheese. Meatball subs coming soon. Silly Dilly, got you. Alright, so homemade meatballs. The trinity is ground beef, ground pork, and ground veal. Unfortunately, my meat market said, "F you, we don't have ground veal," so I said, bet. So they gave me ground sirloin. Not gonna complain. Who's gonna complain about ground steak? So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna open up our meat, our hamburger meat. Not your meat. Don't be gross. We cooking, baby. There's the ground sirloin. Here's the ground pork. That good old hamburger meat. Some people get mad when I say hamburger meat. Do you get mad when I say hamburger meat, or is it ground beef? I say hamburger meat. If you don't like it, I'm sorry, and I'm talking to you, Diana. All right, so Italian breadcrumbs. I'm gonna put about half a cup. Some Whitaker sauce, AKA Worcestershire sauce. We'll do about 3 tablespoons of that. And do a little bit of Italian seasoning or herbs. It's basil, oregano, and parsley. Pepper. This is all to taste, y'all, so if you don't like pepper, don't add it. You don't like crushed red pepper, don't add it. Teaspoon of that. Seasoned salt. And a good old Jose Cuervo, aka a huevo, aka an egg with no shell. Hands are nice and clean, and use your God-given hands to mix this up. Incorporate this till all the meat and the components are mixed together. Meat is combined. Now what are we gonna do? We're gonna let this rest up, and we're gonna make our balls. Let's get it. I forgot to add the Parmesan, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna add about half a cup of Parmesan and mix it in. There we go. Now it is nice and incorporated. And now we make balls. All right, so I hate dishes. So what I did is got some tin foil, and I put it on a baking tray. Got some avocado oil. This is the first time that I try this. Shout out Sam the cooking guy. He always uses it, so let's try it. We're gonna make sure that the meatballs don't stick on this tin foil. We're gonna make sure this is nice and greased. And once it's nice and lubricated, your pan, not yourself, sickos, grab some meat. And we're gonna do about golf ball size. Just like that. If they look a little small, don't worry, just add a little bit more. There we go. There's 3 of them. Stay tuned, we're gonna fill this up. All right, the balls are complete. We're gonna put it in an oven for 425 for about 15 to 20 minutes till they're nice and golden brown. I think I'm finishing the sauce. We're gonna make that sauce right now. Let's get it. All right, so sauce time. We're gonna use that avocado oil. You can use olive oil. I'm gonna try it out, like I said. Put about half a tablespoon. Add our garlic, lots of garlic. Now, I have my family coming over in about an hour, so I'm going to make spaghetti and meatballs. So this is a lot of sauce compared to just meatball subs. So I'm putting about 8 cloves of garlic, a whole shallot. If you ain't making for 8 people, don't do this much. Cut it in about half. So we got some San Marzano whole tomatoes. We got 2 cans of that and a little bit of puree. We're gonna get our handy dandy spatula, rubber spatula. We're gonna brown this up, get it nice and caramelized. Red pepper flakes. You don't want the heat, don't put it in there. But silly Dilly always bringing the heat, baby. So we don't want to cook these all the way. We just want to get a good cooking on it. So here's our peeled potatoes. Nice clean hand. What I do, grab out the individual potato. Why do I say potatoes? Tomatoes. I did that in our pizza episode. Called these potatoes. I'm a little stupid, y'all. That's why I'm silly Dilly and not smart Dilly. Okay, once you get the full tomatoes crushed up with your hand, grab the next can. Same thing. That's gonna be our tomato sauce. We'll put a little bit more of this chopped up fresh herbs. We'll do about 2 tablespoons of that. There we go. Wash our hands because it's all over the damn place. And we mix. We're gonna go ahead and let this simmer for about 20 minutes and we'll add our meatballs. Stay tuned. All right, so our sauce is coming up to a simmer. So we'll put about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Get it in a can or a tube if you don't want it to go to waste. You get it in a can like I used to do. You just gotta throw it away because I don't use it that often. That going back into the fridge and stay nice and fresh. All right, season time. Seasoned salt and freshly cracked pepper. Season to taste, whatever you want in this. You want to put Captain Crunch in it? You put Captain Crunch, all right? No one's gonna tell you not to. But you're gonna be sitting on the toilet, baby. You put Captain Crunch in your tomato sauce. Meatballs are almost done. Probably next time you see me, you're gonna see some meatballs. All right, so since we're gonna be putting sausage in this one, we're gonna make sure we have those meatballs nice and sauced. So I'm gonna have 2 sauce contraptions here. All right, this is for the Fam Bam tonight. This will be for tonight's dinner and the Silly Dilly episode. So let's check out those meatballs. Delicious. All right, so we're gonna make some amazing meatball sandwiches. And you can't have meatball sandwiches without the rolls. So what we're gonna do, get us some room temperature butter, get some garlic. We'll do about 4 regular cloves. Put that in there. A little bit more of the herbs. We'll do about 2 teaspoons. Garlic salt, just kidding, seasoned salt, and crushed pepper. Get your fork. Mash it together. It's a little bit congealed together. It's not as room temperature as I wanted it, but it's all right. It's not frozen. It's not too cold, so it'll come together. Just really got to work it like that. Mix it together. When you're all said and done, we'll put this on our roll, and you know what time it is, y'all. It's time to eat. Did they say Subway? How about the highway? Let's cut into this baby. Nice little cross section right there. Hope I don't burn my mouth, baby, but it's gonna be fire. Cheesy, breezy cover girl. Amazing. Homemade sauce. Use the fresh mozzarella. And make sure you guys tune in next time. If you want to try this sandwich, super easy. You can put it in spaghetti and meatballs. My family's here, so we're going to be eating some spaghetti tonight. But I got me a sub sandwich. We'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Hold on. I'm just kidding. That probably sounds really gross. I'm sorry for everyone that's wearing headphones. I'm so sorry. And don't nut all over the place. All right?